Texture offsets. A big part of the new Shading Nerd idea was to bring Modo games closer to the users, both in discoverability and usage. One of such games is texture offset effect and setup, which allows to disrupt one texture layer by values of the one placed below. Usually, it requires setting many elements and correct placing of the layers to see this effect. With new Shading Nerd workflow for the texture offset, it's super easy. When you open the texture offset pop-up, in order to create a texture offset influence, simply click the Add Texture Offset override. The menu will pop up, allowing you to choose what will be your texture offset layer: procedural texture, image map, or group. And that's it. All other settings will be set for you. The newly created layer effect will be set to texture offset. The texture offset layer will be placed below the originally selected layer. And the original texture layer texture offset strength will be set to 0.25, which is an optimal base setting. When the texture layer is set to texture offset, a new set of buttons will also show up on the texture offset pop-up: horizontal, vertical, and both. Those buttons are an easy way to set the texture offset layer colors, changing how they will affect the layer above, horizontally, vertically, or in all directions.